Double cool! Get any medium cold brew now for $3.
So, people can get a free Samsung Galaxy S22 when they trade in a Galaxy. Any year, any condition.
Oh, I get it. So you can take your old phone that you've had for 12 years and loved every minute of and trade it in for something new that suits your life now?
That's right, yeah.
Then enjoy immediate success, even though you'll never forget your old phone. Ever.
It's a great trade.
Life-changing.
Get a free Samsung Galaxy S22 with any Galaxy trade-in. Any year, any condition. Only at AT&T.
It's birthday girl! Let's invite Jacques.
That's not...
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. Do not use the telephone. All telephone lines should be used for emergency use. This is station WGAL. We will continue to serve the Lancaster metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, choose the stations that provide information for your local area. This is the emergency alert system serving the Lancaster area. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. Do not use the telephone. All telephone lines should be used for emergency use. This is station WGAL. We will continue to serve the Lancaster metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, choose the stations that provide information for your local area. This is the emergency alert system serving the Lancaster area. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert. The emergency alert system has been activated. All regular programming has been interrupted to bring you this message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the United States Department of Homeland Security, and the North American Aerospace Defense Command. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. The United States is being attacked. Just recently, 21 nuclear missiles have been launched from East Asia, and numerous missiles are presumed to be launched from Russia, China, and North Korea. The time of impact vary, but the trajectories of some of the missiles have been confirmed by the North American Aerospace Defense Command. The targets of some of these missiles include areas within a 10-mile radius of the following areas: Los Angeles, California, Jackson, Mississippi, Miami, Florida, Lancaster, Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., Seattle, Washington, Glendale, Arizona, Los Alamos, New Mexico, Atlanta, Georgia, Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, Chicago, Illinois, Lansing, Michigan, Arlington, Virginia, and New York City, New York. There are several missiles whose targets are not yet confirmed. The Department of Homeland Security 1,000 citizens to seek an underground fallout shelter immediately. The nuclear missiles that will strike Lancaster, Los Angeles, and Glendale will impact in 5 to 10 minutes. This is an attack warning. Repeating, this is an attack warning. An attack warning means that an actual attack against the United States is occurring, and protective measures must be taken to ensure survival. Attack warning means that an actual attack against the United States is occurring, and protective measures must be taken to ensure survival. Take all necessary items, such as food, water, medical supplies, blankets, clothing, legal documents, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the fallout shelter. The President is unable to speak as he is being moved to a secure, undisclosed location, and will speak with the American people as soon as...
National Information Center statement. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the United States Department of Homeland Security, and the North American Aerospace Defense Command. At least 5 nuclear strikes has occurred within the past 7 minutes. The cities of Los Angeles, California, Glendale, Arizona, Lancaster, Pennsylvania, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Charlotte, North Carolina, and their surrounding communities have been destroyed beyond recognition. 2 of these nuclear strikes were identified too late. NORAD has also confirmed that the next set of strikes are to occur in the next 8 to 12 minutes in Los Alamos, Lansing, and New York City. If you have not found a fallout shelter, do so immediately. Ensure that you have enough supplies to last at least 14 days. If you run out of supplies, the Department of Homeland Security will send out rations to citizens in fallout shelters. The United States is planning to retaliate using more nuclear strikes than the ones sent to us today. We will become more stronger. The Federal Communications Commission is devising a plan for efficient underground communication across all fallout shelters in the nation. For now, all stations in the United States are to follow emergency programming protocols. The President and his administration has arrived at their fallout shelter, and the President will speak tomorrow. These are dire times, but in the end we will prevail. May God be with you all.